hello. It's me again. Do you remember who I am? I am teacher Una. And what is your name? You can say, my name is blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's do it one more time. What is your name? My name is blah, blah, blah. Okay, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, one more time. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Or you can say, I'm sad. I'm sad. Okay, so let's try one more time. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Or you can say, I'm sad. Okay, are you happy today? We are going to learn letters, okay? And let's have fun. Are you ready? If you are ready, you say, go. Let's go. Okay, let's learn our ABC today. Do you know ABC? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Okay, you can sing and dance at your home with your parents, with your mom, or with your dad, okay? Okay, you can learn it. You can sing out loud and dance with your mom and dad, okay? So, this is A. A, A, ants. Okay, this is ants. Okay, okay, one more time. A, ant. Okay, do you remember? One more time. A, ant. Okay, let's learn another one. This is B. Yes, correct. This is B. Okay, so this is bat. Okay, so B, B, bat. Okay, one more time. B, B, bat. Good job. Okay, so do you remember A, and B, B, bad. Good job. Okay, and let's learn another one. Letter, what is this? This is C, right? C. No, k. Okay, remember, no k. It's k. Okay, slightly k. C, k. No k. Okay, so one more time. C, k. C, cat. Meow. Meow. Okay, so let's learn it one more time. Okay, C, k. C, cat. So we learn 3 letters, right? So do you remember number 1? A, and. How about B? B, bat. Do you like bats? No, I don't like it. Okay, if you do, you can say, yes, I do. I like bats. Okay, and how about C? C, k. Is that right? No, you cannot say k. You need to say C, k. Seek. Oh, sorry. My bad. Say C, k. Seek. Cat. Right. That's right. Okay, let's learn one more letter. Okay. So what is this? This is letter D. Good job. D, D, dog. Do you know the sound of dog? Woof, right? Dog. Do you like dogs? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like dogs. Good job. You can do it. Okay, so let's review all the letters we learned today. Can you name them? Okay, let's review one more time. A. How about A? A, ah. A. N. B, B, bat. C, C, cat. Meow. D, D, dog. Woof, dog. Right? Okay, so do you remember all the letters we learned today? So let's play again, okay? Yes. Okay, so let's find out, okay? Can you tell me? I cannot see. Can you tell me where is the dog? Where is it? Where is the dog? Yes, the dog is there, right? So the dog is standing there, right? Okay, so can you tell me where is the cat? Where is the cat? I can't find it. Where is the cat? Oh, it's over there. Okay, the cat is there, right? The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Okay, good job. Okay, so can you tell me where is the ant? Where is it? It's too small. I can find it. Where is the ant? Oh, over there. Okay. The ant is on the book. It is on the book, right? Good job. Okay, so one more question. Can you tell me where is the bat? Where is it? Where is the bat? Can you find it? Oh, I found it. I found it. Where is it? Oh, it is under the lights, right? It is under the lights. Yes, so we find all 4 animals today, right? Good job. You did a good job. Great job. You are amazing. Play another one. Are you ready? You say go. Ready? Go. Okay, let's go. So this time, I'm going to use this. Okay, so when I spin it and oh, this is ant, and you need to say a ant, and do the action. Okay, so ready, go. Okay, tell me. This is a dog, and you need to say 滴滴滴的 dog. Okay, one more time. Okay, one more. And this is a cat, right? And you need to say CC no Remember, no C cat. Good job. Okay, next one. One more time. Oh, this is a bat, right? Do you remember beep beep? What? Beep beep beep. Bat. Good job. Okay, so one more time, okay? Dee 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 dog. Okay, one more. Oh, this is Yes, good job. 滴滴的的滴的 dog. Okay, one more. CC, what? CC, C, cat, right? Okay, one more. And this is BB. Yes, good job. Okay, one more time. Okay, last time. Oh, B again. Okay, BB. Good. Okay, very good. Okay, one more, one more, one more. What? Okay, one more time. DD, DD, the, D the. Dog, good job. Okay. Okay. How about this one? Oh, what is that? A, A, N. Okay, more game. Okay, let's play it. Okay, this time you need to find out two pictures which are the same. Okay, let's play it. Okay, so for example, I pick one. Okay, I need to find another bat. Okay, where is another bat? No, it's a cat. Okay, you need to memorize. Okay, so number two is a bat, right? And this is a cat. Okay, let's find out another. Oh, this is bat. Oh, do you remember one number? Which one is the bat? Which one? Number two, right? Okay, yes, we find it. We found it. We found the bat. Okay, so let's do another one. Do you remember this one? Okay, a dog. Okay, do you remember? Oh no, where's the dog? Oh, this is a cat. Okay, so this is a dog and this is a cat, right? Okay, how about this one? Ants. Where is the ant? Here? Here? Okay, maybe we can try number one. Oh, this is a dog. Oh, this is a dog. Do you remember the dog? Where is the dog? Here or here? Number five or number eight? Number five? Oh, yes, it is a dog, right? Oh, we found it. We found the dog. We found the dogs. Good job. Okay, so maybe we can try number four this time. Oh, it's the ant. How about this one? Oh, we found the ants. Good job. Okay, the last one is a cat, right? So let's find another cat. Okay, good job. We found cats. Good job. You did it. Great. Okay, so we learned four letters today, right? Do you remember A, A, N, and B, 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 bat. How about C? C, cat. D, D, dog. Okay, you learned four letters. Amazing. You are great. Okay. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.